Hi guys, welcome to the session. My name is Prakash, math tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. See here, we have one big semicircle and one small semicircle just below that, and two cut off a space semicircles in the big semicircle. So let's say given the diameter of the largest semicircle is 14 centimeter, which is this one, and the diameter of the smallest semicircle is 3.5 centimeter, so which is these two diameters are 3.5, and finally the middle one, which is the below a semicircle, is diameter of that is 7 centimeter. Okay, now how to find the area of shaded region? See, we have three different types of semicircles. I mean, the first semicircle, the bigger semicircle, has 14 centimeter diameter, and the next one is the 7 centimeter, and the smallest semicircle's diameter is 3.5 centimeter. So area of a shaded region is equals to the area of the largest semicircle or biggest semicircle plus area of a below semicircle which has diameter 7 centimeter. Area of below a semicircle. And finally we have two more semicircles in that, so it's cut off area, so which means we just need to subtract that one. So area of two small semicircles, so we need to subtract. So find the area of each one separately and then find the area of a shaded region. We know that the area of semicircle formula, which is a pi r square divided by 2. Pi value is 22 by 7 and r is the radius of the semicircle. See here in this, the area of big semicircle radius is 14 divided by 2, which is 7 centimeter, and the area of below a semicircle whose diameter is 7 centimeter, so radius is 3.5 centimeters, and the area of a smallest semicircles, two small semicircles are there, so that diameter is 3.5, so the radius is 3.5 divided by 2, which is nothing but 1.75. So find the area of these all three semicircles separately, all three types of semicircles separately. So here the first one, the area of the big semicircle. The area of big semicircle whose radius is 7 centimeter, which is 5 into 7 square whole square divided by 2. So pi value is 22 by 7, So 22 by 7 into 2, 7 square is 49. So if we simplify this, we will get a 77 centimeter square. Similarly, area of the below semicircle, so which diameter is 7 and radius of that semicircle is 3.5 centimeters. So pi into 3.5 whole square divided by 2. Again the pi value is 22 by 7 and 3.5 whole square becomes 12.25. So if we simplify this, we will get 19.25 centimeters square. And finally we need to find the area of a small semicircle. So we have two semicircles, so just let's find an area of the smallest semicircles for both, two semicircles. So area of smallest two semicircles, which is 2 into, because we have two semicircles, two small semicircles, so just multiply that by 2. So 2 into pi r square by 2, so 2 by 2 cancels out, we have pi r square now. So where radius of that semicircles are 1.75, because the diameter is 3.5, so the radius becomes 1.75 whole square. So if we simplify this, we'll get 22 by 7 into 1.75 whole square is 3.0625. So if we simplify this, we will get 9.625 centimeters square. So this is the area of two smallest semicircles. So finally the shaded area, the area of a shaded region is equals to area of a big semicircle plus area of a below semicircle minus the area of two small semicircles. So 77 plus 19.25 minus 9.625. So if we simplify, we will get 86.625 centimeters square. So which is the area of shaded region. I hope you understand this question now. Thanks for watching.